Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where it's all about tap and love. So in today's tutorial for intermediate and advanced tappers, we're going to do a quick and fun combination to some new music I found. Because some of my shout outs have already been from students in the Austin, Texas area, this combination is going to have a little bit of a Texas flair. The song we're using today is called Headline and it's by a group called Wildflowers. Although everyone is welcome to learn the combination today, keep in mind that this one is a little bit more advanced. If you find this combo is a little too challenging for you, just go ahead and stick with the beginning tap tutorial series. And keep an eye out because I will have combinations coming for the beginner series soon. Also, please don't get frustrated during this tutorial. I promise, if you stick with the videos, you're going to be able to master this combination before you know it. Now, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell button below so that you're notified every time a new video is uploaded. All right, intermediate and advanced tappers, let's get tapping. All right, so we're first going to start with 2 shuffle steps. First on the right, then on the left. So we do shuffle, step. We're going to do another shuffle on the right, shuffle, and cramp roll. So the timing is 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and then you're going to do 2 stamps. Kind of like a little bit of a chug, but not exactly. So again, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and. Just so you can see it to the front, that was shuffle, step, shuffle, cramp, roll, stamp, stamp. So the next step we're going to do is a paradiddle, or as some teachers like to call them, paddle and rolls. I've also been taught scuffle, step, heel. So it all depends on where you learn tap and what style you learned. Every teacher is different. But for today's purposes, I will probably call them paradiddles. So we're going to start on the right foot with a paradiddle. Paradiddle. The next step is a paradiddle on the left. Paradiddle. Then we're going to do a double paradiddle on the right. Double paradiddle. And then we're going to stomp. So from the beginning, we have the shuffle, step, shuffle, cramp, roll, stamp, stamp. Paradiddle on the right, paradiddle on the left, double paradiddle on the right, and stomp. Let's try that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, and. Cool, let's do it a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's keep going. So for the next step, we're going to do a step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, dig, toe dig. So we're going to start on the right foot. Let me show you really quickly. So we go step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, dig. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, dig. Good, a little bit faster. All right, so let's add that on. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, how'd you do? Let's keep going. The next step is a maxi forward turn to the left. We're ready to go with our left foot, and we do step, maxi forward. Right? It's going to get you all the way back around to the front. It's hard to do it in slow motion. All right, let's try it again. Ready, and step, maxi forward. Step. Step, maxi forward, step. If you want to add in that extra sound during your maxi forward, more advanced students, feel free to do so. Great. So we're going to do step, maxi forward, step, heel on that left foot. Then we're just going to do step, step with the right foot. And that right foot's going to kind of come around a little bit as you stuff. So again, for the maxi forward, it is step, maxi forward, toe, heel, step, step, step. So let's add that onto the last little step we did, which was a step, shuffle, hop, step. Ready, and step, shuffle, hop, step. Maxi forward, toe, heel, step, step, step. All right, let's do the whole thing. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Paradiddle. Step, shuffle, hop, step. Did maxi forward. Here's my kitty. He wants to tap. So the next step is going to be a little bit more advanced. So for you intermediate tappers, if you haven't already done double pullbacks, I'll give you an alteration to use in here. But for you advanced tappers, we just finished scuff. We're going to do stamp, stamp, so you put your weight on it, and we're going to do a crossing double pullback. So with the right foot in front. Whoop. All right. Then we're going to do stamp, step again, stamp, stamp. We're going to do a double pullback with the right foot again, but the right foot this time is going to go in the back. So let's try that again. Stamp, stamp, double pullback, stamp, stamp, double pullback. For the intermediate tappers, you can just do stamp, stamp, cross, stamp, stamp, cross. Again, to the front, that would be stamp, stamp, cross, stamp, stamp, cross. Advanced tappers. All right, we just did stamp, stamp, cross with the double pullback and landing on your right foot in the back. We're going to do step, heel on that right foot. So just leave it where it is. And back up to it. Then we're going to do another paradiddle on the left, paradiddle, paradiddle on the right, paradiddle, paradiddle on the left, paradiddle, right, ball change, ball change. I'm going to do the intermediate version this time. Stamp, stamp, cross, stamp, stamp, cross, step, heel, paradiddle, paradiddle, we're going to get to the end of this and then try it all together. So we just finished our paradiddle, 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 ball change. Now we're going to do a step, shuffle, hop, step. Step, shuffle, hop, step. We're going to dig the right heel in front and pivot on it. Dig, step. So again, that's step, shuffle, hop, step, dig, step. Then we're going to do a brush, ball, change. So again, after the paradiddles, we did paradiddle, 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 ball, change. Step, shuffle, hop, step, big step, brush, ball, change. Now, I called that a brush, going back. Some teachers do, some teachers call it a spank. I use those terms interchangeably, so sometimes you'll hear me say spank, sometimes you'll hear me say brush back. So today I use brush. We are almost done, and my kitty cat is getting restless. So we need to finish this up and soon. So the next step that we are going to do is a rhythm turn. The rhythm turn starts with a shuffle. Shuffle, step, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. So we want to end up facing the wall. Again. Ready, and shuffle, step, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. We're going to finish this up with a stamp, stamp, and jump your feet together. All right, so now we're going to try it with some music. And by the way, I actually had to just stop the camera and wipe the sweat off my brow. Yeah, so no one can tell me that tap dance is not great for cardio. Extra benefit, just saying.
Make sure that you don't miss out. Just
5, 6, 7,
we're taking
8.
our shot. Bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud.
guys enjoyed this combination, and I want to see you doing this combo. So please take time to video yourself and go ahead and tag me on Instagram. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. There are going to be many more intermediate advanced tutorials coming soon, so again, make sure you hit that little bell so that you're notified every time a new video is uploaded for you. If you feel like the beginning tap tutorial series is going to be a little bit more your speed, go ahead and check out my playlist. Thanks everyone! Have a great day, and I will see you soon.